Our world is filled with wonders, but some places go beyond explanation. From rivers that boil without warning, to forests where trees grow unnaturally twisted. These are locations that defy science, logic, and sometimes, reality itself. Get ready to journey into the strange, the airy, and the utterly unexplainable. These are the top 10 most mysterious places on Earth. Number 10. The Devil's Kettle, USA. Deep in Minnesota's Judge C. R. Magny State Park lies a geological enigma. The Brule River splits into two. One stream flows downstream as expected, but the other disappears into a dark, swirling hole known as the Devil's Kettle. Scientists have tried everything to trace where it goes, dice, trackers, even objects, but nothing ever resurfaces. Is it an underground tunnel? A natural portal? Or something more mysterious? No one knows. And that's what makes it so fascinating. Number 9. The Crooked Forest, Poland. In a quiet Polish woodland, over 400 pine trees stand in strange unison, each one bent at a near-perfect 90-degree angle at the base. Known as the Crooked Forest, this botanical oddity has baffled experts for decades. Some think it was human manipulation, others blame war damage, or even gravitational anomalies. But no clear answer has ever been found. It's as if nature itself decided to bend the rules. Number 8. Island of the Dolls, Mexico. Just south of Mexico City, an island sits hidden in the canals of Xochimilco. On its trees hang hundreds of weathered, broken dolls, their lifeless eyes staring into the jungle. Legend says the island's caretaker hung the first doll to honor a drowned girl spirit. Over time, the dolls multiplied, and so did the stories of strange sounds, moving eyes, and haunting whispers. Today, it's known as the Island of the Dolls, where forgotten toys and lost souls may dwell together. Number 7. Zone of Silence, Mexico. In northern Mexico, there's a stretch of desert known as the Zone of Silence, where radio signals vanish and compasses spin wildly. Planes avoid flying overhead. Technology fails without reason. Locals tell tales of fireballs in the sky and mysterious visitors appearing out of nowhere. Some say it's a magnetic anomaly, others think it's connected to alien activity. One thing's certain, silence never felt so strange. Number 6. Mount Roraima, South America. Rising like a lost world into the clouds, Mount Roraima marks the border of Venezuela, Brazil, and Guyana. Its massive tabletop summit is often veiled in mist, creating an island in the sky. Here, you'll find species and plants that exist nowhere else on Earth. Indigenous legend calls it the stump of a cosmic tree that once held all the fruits of the world. Remote, mystical, and ancient, it's a place frozen in time. Number 5. Lake Natron, Tanzania. In northern Tanzania, nature paints with deadly beauty. Lake Natron glows red, stained by salt-loving microorganisms, and burns with temperatures up to 140 degrees Fahrenheit. Its high alkalinity can calcify animal remains, preserving them like airy stone sculptures. Despite the harshness, flamingos call it home, thriving where almost nothing else can. A place where life and death coexist in surreal harmony. Number 4. Darwaza Gas Crater, the Gate to Hell, Turkmenistan. In the heart of Turkmenistan's desert burns an endless fire. The Darwaza Gas Crater, nicknamed the Gate to Hell, has been ablaze since 1971. After a gas drilling rig collapsed into an underground pocket, scientists ignited the escaping methane to prevent disaster. They expected the fire to last a few days. It's still burning. At night, the crater glows like an open wound in the earth, a man-made marvel turned mystery. Number 3. The Boiling River, Peru. Deep in the Amazon jungle flows a river that can cook you alive. Shane Timpishka, the Boiling River, reaches scalding temperatures of up to 200 degrees Fahrenheit, hot enough to kill instantly. The strangest part? There is no nearby volcano or geothermal source. Scientists still debate how this heat is generated. But for locals, it's a sacred river protected by jungle spirits. A place of danger and deep reverence. Number 2. The Antikythera mechanism, Greece. Discovered in a shipwreck over a century ago, the Antikythera mechanism is a 2000-year-old device unlike anything else from ancient times. Made of bronze gears and dials, it could predict eclipses and track celestial events, essentially, the world's first analog computer. No one knows how this level of tech existed in ancient Greece. Its complexity rivals inventions created 1000 years later. It's a mystery that challenges everything we thought we knew about history. Number 1. Area 51, USA. Tucked deep in the Nevada desert is Area 51, one of the most secretive and talked about military bases in the world. Officially, it's for testing advanced aircraft. Unofficially, it's the epicenter of alien conspiracy theories. Witnesses claim to have seen flying saucers, alien bodies, and government cover-ups. The truth remains classified, and that only fuels the mystery. Whether fact or fiction, Area 51 keeps the world guessing. Earth is full of places science can't quite explain. Some are beautiful, others terrifying, all are fascinating. Which mystery intrigued you the most? Let us know in the comments below. And if you love exploring the strange and unexplained, don't forget to like, subscribe, and ring the bell for more mind-blowing videos. Thanks for watching, and remember, not everything on this planet has an answer.